Hi, welcome to Cobwebs and Quartz. My name is Jan. Thank you for joining me today. I am extremely happy. It's like best mail day ever. We're doing the SIPS buy. And I'm super excited. I received this in the mail today. Have not opened it yet. Excited to open it with you guys. If you are new to hearing about SIPS Buy, it is a subscription-based tea discovery box, and you get a different box of tea each month. You can subscribe for as long as you like. I'm very excited. It was $15 US, and I believe it's free shipping if you're in the US, but in Canada I had to pay $9.50 US to have it delivered. So you know, it was kind of, not quite sure if I should get it or not, but who doesn't love good mail and who doesn't love surprises? And I will eat Mr. Noodles or ramen for a week straight if I had to get some good mail, because, you know, sometimes you just need good mail, and who doesn't love surprises? It's like getting one of those surprise packs as a kid, like, you know, you might get something wonderful that you've never really thought that you would like to try. So excited. Let's bust this guy open. I'm so excited. I think it's the anticipation that's the best though, right? All right, last bit of anticipation. February teas. So adorable. Isn't that so cute? Look at what we see right away. So adorable. And it says it's made for me. Made for Jan. 2 N's, that's me. Hi Jan, this February let's raise our teacups to celebrate Chinese New Year and all the sweet teas in our lives for Valentine's Day. Share a pic of your Sips by box with family and friends on Instagram to enter to win a free month using the hashtag sipsbybox and tag SIPSBY in your caption. With love, your tea matchmakers from SIPSBY. That's so adorable. All right, and it actually says what we have, but we're not going to read any more of that. You also, when you're signing up for it, you get to say, you know, what you do like and what you don't like. If you want loose tea or bag tea, I just said I kind of wanted a bit of everything. I think there might have been like a couple things that I was like, ugh, don't send me that. Maybe, what is that thing that I don't really like? Turmeric? I might have said no to turmeric, and not quite sure if I said no to anything else. But you can really like say what you do and what you don't like, which is wonderful, because then you're still getting a surprise, but you know that it's not going to be something that you despise. Jasmine Romance by Ahmed Tea. It's a green tea, and we got 4 of these to try. So this is a tea bag. Excellent. Now, I understood that they always send out, for anybody that said yes to the loose leaf, these in a little reusable cloth bag. And look at this. It's so adorable. So adorable. So of course, you know, you're probably familiar with the tea bags that you fill yourself with your own loose leaf tea, and then it has a little Sips by branding on it. And their branding is so adorable with the little hearts and everything. So, all right, up next, this looks amazing. Mountain flower tea, pure mountain. Servings per package is 4, so that's the idea. I think that you get like 3 different teas, 4 different teas. Okay. Quite remember. Hints of sage, interesting. The ingredients is, it's 1 ingredient, Sidersis sarcadia? I have no idea. I'm assuming it's like a flower. That's so neat. See, I would never have tried something like this. I'm so excited. Set that tray over there. This is Full Leaf Tea Company Organic Relief Stress Tea. A ginger blend that can help relieve stress and tension. Ooh. Premium loose leaf tea. Ingredients is organic rooibos, organic passion flower, organic lemon balm, holy basil, and organic lavender. Lavender. That is Excellent. And Nepal tea, organic tea from the Himalayas, Nepali breakfast. I love Nepal tea. I'm sure I'm gonna enjoy that. And what's this? It looks like a little pamphlet for this tea. You, me, and a cup of tea. That's cute. Adorable. Adorable, adorable, adorable. Okay, let's blend one of these guys. Which one do you want to choose? I really think we should choose this guy. Like, seriously? Look at it. It's amazing looking. All right. Let's get this cleaned up and we'll brew this. Okay, here we go. We're gonna try it. Has a easy pull section and a zipper. That is very interesting. Let me see if I can show you guys. The leaves are like furry and there's actually pieces of like, that's a flower. That's a flower. Friggin' flower, you guys. Okay, that is gorgeous. Okay, let's see. And it's packed, like, wow. All right, let's get a bunch of this. So, fluff it up, make sure we get some flowers. Look at that! You guys. Like, adorable! That is amazing. Okay, hot water. Make sure we don't drip on everything else. Well, this could be dangerous all over my leg. I'm gonna cover that up. So it says to steep it for 5 to 10 minutes. All right, done steeping. Let's test this out. I have never ever tried this before, so let's give it a go. It smells like spring, but not like overpowering, like just like mild wet spring. Okay. It's very mild. It does say that you can steep it longer. It has a little bit of an aftertaste. It's not bad. It's not grassy. It definitely has like a light, mild floral. It just feels like it would be good just to curl up with a book on a day that you're not feeling well, you know, and it feels like it's almost like cleaning your mouth. Kind of reminiscent of like how mint refreshes your mouth, a little bit like that, but not like overpowering like mint. Like it does have that feeling like mint though. Yeah, I really enjoy that. That is very nice. I love that, you know, I'm able to try different teas and that you're not getting like massive quantities of them. You know, it's supposed to be 4 servings, 4 different types of tea. So that's 16 cups of tea. So under $1 a cup, I think, you know, and $1 a cup in America land, that, you know, is a pretty good deal. You know, I would love to be able to get that free shipping, but you know, $9.50 for shipping plus the $15. I'm still very happy with it. You know, these are teas that I normally wouldn't get to try, and I'm getting to test out in smaller quantities so I don't feel like, you know, I'm wasting any money or anything. And who does not love a surprise mailbox? Like, If there's anything that you can do for yourselves, send yourself some good freaking mail, especially if you're in America. You can get this for $15 shipped to you. Like, that is insane in a very good way. All right, Sips by people, I am in love not only with your branding, completely in love with that before this arrived, but the anticipation of it arriving. I should also say that I got an email that said that it was on its way, and I could actually click a link to see what tea was coming, because I guess if you were, you know, going out to buy some new tea, you wouldn't want maybe to overlap or anything like that. I did not. I resisted clicking the button. I definitely wanted it to be a surprise. I love the anticipation of like hoping for mail every day and then, you know, to have it arrive, and it's delightful. I love it. So I can't wait to get the March tea. I'm so excited about this. Like, you know, it's these little things in life, you know, treat yourself, treat yourself, treat yourself with some surprise tea. Because, you know, who doesn't want to be like a 6-year-old going to the grocery store and getting one of those surprise packs? I do. If you have a Sips by, let me know. I'd love to know what you think of it. If you've had good luck, bad luck, if you're interested in it now, just leave me a comment down below or head on over to Instagram, say hello. I love hearing from you guys, so please don't be shy. And yeah, hope to have tea with you tomorrow. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And if you're enjoying having tea with me, I'd love it if you tell a friend that might like to have tea with me too, because, you know, who couldn't use more friends? And until tomorrow, take care. This is amazing. I can't wait to tell Jeanette.